from the Triad collection by Grant Arnold. This video is for my students only, to help them practice or to use as a replacement lesson. I do have the studio license for this book, so if you don't have a copy, let me know and I will email you the PDF file. So Happy-Go-Lucky Triads is on page 5. This is a very challenging song, lots of difficult techniques, and rhythm-wise, bars 9 to 16 are very complex. So first of all, let's go through the chord progression for the first 2 lines. Let's check you've got your head around the chord progression. We do have the key signature of C minor. Make sure you've got your music in front of you because you won't be able to see my iPad very well. So have a look at the key signature. You have a B flat, an E flat and an A flat. Now that could be E flat major or it could be C minor. So first of all, look at the first chord because a piece of music usually starts in the root chord of the key signature. And we're starting with the C minor chord, C, E flat, G. So we are in C minor. So this is a 4-bar chord progression in the left hand, all tonic triad chords in root position, and we're playing them as solid chords. So here's my middle C, so find your C minor chord using 5, 3, 1. Then the next bar is A flat major, 5, 3, 1. If you can't see which keys I'm pressing down, look at my light up keyboard, a little bit easier. A flat, C, E flat. Then we have F minor, F, A flat, C, and G major. I'll run through that again. C minor, A flat, F minor, G major. So let's have a go together. After 4, get your C minor chord ready. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C minor, 2, 3, 4. A flat major, 2, 3, 4. F minor, 2, 3, 4. G major, 2, 3, 4. And again, C minor, 2, 3, 4. A flat major, 2, 3, 4. F minor, 2, 3, 4, G major, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you have that chord progression before you try the right hand. So the tricky part with the right hand is probably remembering the key signature. B flat, E flat, A flat. Those intervals in bar 6 and 8, because a lot of students make the mistake of presuming they're the same notes in bar 6 as to bar 8. But bar 6 we finish off with D and B flat with 1 and 5, then 1 and 4 to C and A flat. In bar 8 we have 1 and 5 on C and A flat, down to 1 and 4 on B flat and G. So make sure you have those notes correct. Now, who knows what allegretto means at the top of the music? I'll just move my iPad a bit closer so we have the word allegretto here, quite fast, not as fast as allegro. Do practice the song slowly before you get the tempo right, but yes, it should be played quite fast. Now the very difficult part in this song is the middle section bar 9 to 16. I'm just going to go to this music score here where I've written the counting in. If you do not have the counting written into your music, please copy it in now because this part is very tricky to count. You really need the counting in. So most of the time you have a consistent quaver beat, even when you're holding down crotchets, and that's because the right hand is coming in on the beat in between the crotchet and the quaver. So the left hand is playing syncopated. The left hand is sometimes coming in on the beat, but then there are notes on the offbeat as well, while the right hand is playing on the beat. So you have this consistent 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but completely different rhythms in each hand. It's so difficult to get right. You need to spend a lot of time working on this section slowly and counting. I can't say the word counting enough. You need to count out loud. If you don't, you will not get it. The only time where you actually feel like you have a proper crotchet beat is when you have a minim in the right hand. So here in bar 10, here in bar 12, here in bar 15 and 16. That is when you'll actually hear your crotchets sounding like crotchets without the other hand coming in on the and beat. So I'm just going to play this for you. I'm going to play it slowly and I'm going to count out loud. Follow the music. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and. So rewind the video and listen to me play and count that as many times as you need. It's a very awkward section. Now the last part of this song I'd just like you to draw your attention to are bars 25 and 26. Follow that fingering that Grant Arnold's put in for both bars. So I'll just show you. So that's for the left hand. So I'll play the right hand chord, but the fingering in the left hand is 3, 2, 1, then 2 over, thumb. 3, 2, 1, 2 over, thumb. That fingering works really well to keep the music fluent and it's comfortable to play. If you were to play 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, it could work as well. It's just more awkward and harder to get fluent. So I would suggest to stick to that fingering. Okay, so have fun practicing this song. If you need any help with it, you can just show me what you need help with in your next lesson. Bye.